Hello, here we are. I don't even know what day it is, but that's okay. That's the point of an all-inclusive resort, right? So we switched our reservations around for this evening. We are going to be going to Bamboo, and then we are going to the Gourmet tomorrow and Bamboo again on Friday. We have later reservations, so we'll miss part of the performances tonight, but we'll catch what we can, and I'll share with you what I thought. So today I thought I would take you through the couple of stores that we have here on the property to show you what is inside, what the prices are, what the selection is, in case you decide to come here and not go off property, what you can get as far as souvenirs and fun. All right, let's take it inside. That was Heat Wave, and amongst jewelry and other things, they had lots of souvenirs. Prices were fair. Some things were more pricey than others, but overall, not a bad thing. Not so super expensive that you would not would be surprising on the resort. I expected actually some of the prices to be a little bit higher. For some things are a little out of whack, and other things are kind of right in line with what I would expect to pay, especially on the resort where you expect things to be a little higher priced than normal. All right, so now right next door is the convenience store, Oasis. So this is going to have snacks and stuff like that, so we're going to go check out Oasis and tell you what that's all about. little convenience store. It's pretty well appointed. I mean, it's got your basics. It's got some medicines and things like that. Prices are obviously higher than they would be anywhere else, but again, not bad, not super, super expensive. About what you would expect to pay at any hotel or resort convenience store. Not overly exorbitant in price. Even the suntan lotion that we got at the airport was about the same price as that we would have gotten here. So expensive, but again, still not crazy, crazy expensive. So, all right, guys, I'll check in with you later. We're going to go take some pictures and videos down by the water sports area because we didn't get to do that the other day. So we're going to go do that now.